Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Drag Racer version of Spikey Fillups. Now, Spikey Fillups is a next-gen piston cup racer. He has a C-style paint job. Spikey enters the piston cup in the beginning of 2017, replacing Ralph Carlo as a Lil Torquey Pistons racer. He's a next-gen SA5, even though spoilers are the same as that of a Sheldon Shifter, Aaron Clock or Tim Treadless. Now in Cars 3, Spikey makes his debut in 2017 Piston Cup season at the Florida 500, becoming the LTP racer after Ralph Carlo retired. He starts in 22nd, 14th place in a restart after the wreck caused by Cam Spinner, and finishes in 15th place. Now we've got some trivia. The concept art of Spikey was shown with thick eyelids, which caused many to believe he was actually female. Some people today still believe Spikey to be female, even after the name reveal. However, with a lack of biography for him, and the other background Cars 3 racers, and Spikey being a gender-neutral name, anyone could be right until Disney or Pixar confirms the gender, which so far they haven't said a word on this debate, as of 2023. To back him up as a male, his name resembles Sid Phillips, the main antagonist of Toy Story. However, it's unknown if this is a coincidence or intentional. Now let's have a closer look at him. Yahoo! So you've got XRS on the side and flames coming out of exhausts. Very nice. Bit like that's jamming. Kind of. Yeah. Snow. Maybe. Look at that. And the pistons actually move as well. Look at that. If you look closely, then you'll be able to see them move. There we go, very nice. And as you can see, if you look closely, he's very glittery, sparkly, all your stuff really. The works, I should say. You can see very thick tyres. Thick, like Kim K. At the back, he's got a parachute, since he is a drag racer, and a very flat spoiler. Very nice. Number 117. The third highest number in the Piston Cup, I believe. That's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, my precious.